The AI you trust to make life easier may have a hidden agenda. These are biases and algorithms are influencing everything from job opportunities to our perspectives. But here's the catch. You may not even know it's happening. Wait, what? Oh, for sure. Unseen biases and algorithms are controlling more than we know, from who gets a loan to what we read on the internet. It's happening right now in front of us. It's happening as we speak, right in front of us. Algorithms have become an integral part of our lives, shaping everything from what we see on social media to who gets hired for a job. Algorithms, designed to simplify our lives, may actually be hiding biases that can have a profound impact on our world. The AI bias problem occurs when artificial intelligence makes decisions that are systematically unfair to certain groups of people. Just like people can have their own opinions and ideas that aren't always right, a computer program can make choices that aren't fair too.
In September 30, 2022, Forbes published an article called The Problem with Biased AI and How to Make AI Better, where it says that AI bias has become a growing concern as it can lead to unfair decisions towards certain groups. Growing concern around AI bias is the situations where AI makes decisions that are systematically unfair to particular groups of people.
Imagine a computer algorithm created to predict which criminals are more likely to commit the crime again. This algorithm is called COMPAS, which stands for Correctional Offender Management Profiling for Alternative Sanction. It is used in the U.S. to make decisions about the future of criminals, such as their jail sentences and bail amounts. COMPAS takes into account factors such as previous arrests, age, and employment. Based on this AI forecast, judges made decisions about the future of these criminals. But something strange was discovered. ProPublica, a Pulitzer Prize-winning nonprofit news organization, found that COMPAS was biased. Let's consider a scenario in which two criminals are brought before a judge. One is black and one is white. Though both have committed the same crime, COMPAS forecasts that the black criminal is more likely to re-offend in the future. This means that the judge is likely to make a decision based on this forecast, which could lead to harsher punishments for black criminals, ranging from their jail sentences to the bail amounts for release. On the other hand, white criminals were judged less risky than they actually were. It was found that black criminals were judged to be much more likely to recommit crimes in the future than they actually did. On the other hand, white criminals were judged less risky than they were by COMPAS. Even for violent crimes, black criminals were misclassified as more dangerous almost double the time as compared to the white criminals. Imagine going to court and having an algorithm decide whether you will face prison time or not, and you know it can carry the biases. What could be the reason for this? ProPublica found that COMPAS had somehow learned the inherent bias that is frequent in humans, that black people commit many more crimes than white people on average and are more likely to commit crimes in the future. Even for violent crimes, black criminals were misclassified as more dangerous, almost double the time as compared to the white criminals. This discovery in COMPAS is quite worrisome, as it shows that algorithms are not immune to the biases and prejudices that humans have. So what can we do to make sure that algorithms like COMPAS are as unbiased as possible? It's clear that AI can be used to automate many processes and help make decisions. But these algorithms need to be carefully monitored and tested to ensure that they are not carrying any biases. Such algorithms as COMPAS can be biased, but this is not the only example of AI gone wrong. This is especially important when it comes to using AI in recruitment, which is something that many top tech companies have been doing. Imagine if I could replace human recruiters. Companies could benefit from automated processes that are faster, more efficient, and less prone to error. AI recruiters could quickly analyze and select applicants based on predetermined criteria, saving time and money for businesses. Furthermore, AI recruiters could be customized to each company's specific needs. ensuring that only the most qualified applicants are chosen. For example, Amazon has been using AI to review job applicants' resumes with the aim of finding the best talent. The company's AI-powered hiring tool gives job candidates scores ranging from 1 to 5 stars, and it seemed like the perfect solution. But something went wrong. For years, the company had been using computers to choose people to hire, but their models were trained by observing patterns in resumes submitted to the company over a 10-year period, most of which were from male applicants. As a result, their AI was not gender neutral and was actually discriminating against female applicants. Presume that included the word women's were being penalized, and graduates of 2 all-women's colleges were being downgraded. This sparked a heated debate within the company, as some employees argued that the AI should be left as is, while others argued that it needed to be reprogrammed to be gender neutral. Ultimately, the company decided to reprogram the AI in order to make sure that all applicants were given a fair chance regardless of their gender.
Imagine you are looking for a job. You decide to take your search to the internet and you come across 2 ads for delivery driver jobs that have similar qualifications, one for Domino's pizza delivery drivers and the other for Instacart drivers. You think these jobs might be perfect for you, so you decide to apply. Now, imagine the same scenario, but only one ad is popping up, the one for Domino's pizza delivery drivers. You would be left with having to decide whether or not to apply for the job, since there would be no other options available to you. This could add an extra layer of stress to the job hunt, as you would have to make a decision with limited information and worry about whether or not you made the right choice. Moreover, you miss out on an opportunity you would have otherwise had.
Little did you know, a team of researchers had conducted a study testing the algorithms used by Facebook and LinkedIn to target ads based on gender. They found that Facebook had targeted the Instacart delivery job to more women and the Domino's delivery job to more men. Even more intriguing, the algorithm on LinkedIn showed the Domino's listing to as many women as it showed the Instacart ad. The researchers continued to test different job listings on Facebook, and each time the results came back with the same pattern. Ads for a software engineer at NVIDIA and a job for a car salesperson were shown to more men, and a Netflix software engineer job and jewelry sales associate listing were shown to more women.
As you submit your applications for the delivery driver jobs, you can't help but wonder if the algorithm had figured out each job's current demographic when it targeted the ads. Unfortunately, Facebook is tight-lipped about their delivery method, so the answer to that question may remain a mystery.
AI bias has become a major issue in today's world, as AI has become increasingly used in a wide variety of fields. As AI technology continues to rapidly advance, it is essential that steps are taken to ensure that it is used in a responsible and lawful way. AI bias must be eliminated, and processes must be implemented to ensure that AI decisions are based on unbiased data and are not influenced by personal bias or opinion. That way, AI can continue to be a valuable and powerful tool that can benefit individuals, businesses, and society as a whole.